Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Florisa Collado, 29 years old, single. I have 2 children, 11-year-old daughter and 1-year-old son. I'm a college level bachelor secondary education. I'm currently working as a housekeeper here in the Philippines. My main role is taking care of 6 months old baby, while also such as preparing meals, doing the laundry, washing dishes, and go to the market. I also have experience as a housekeeper in Jeddah. I manage a household of 8 members. But my priority was youngest child who is 1 year old. Once the child went to sleep, I handle chores like cleaning, laundry, washing dishes, sometimes cooking. My main duty and my responsibility in my previous job are managing the children daily routine, including bathing of them, cooking, baking, and prepare daily meal and snack according to the family dietary needs, taking inventory of pantry items, and running errands to purchase grocery. And I assist older children with homework and school project. To my future employer, I'm a reliable, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I'm available to start immediately to assist with your household management and childcare needs. Thank you for your time. I look forward to opportunity to speak with you soon.